Best 3D printers. Are you looking for the best 3D printers? In this video we will look at some of the best 3D printers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Anycubic Photon Mono 2. Anycubic Photon Mono 2, resin 3D printer with 6.6 foot 4K plus LCD monochrome screen, upgraded light turbo matrix with high precision printing, enlarged print volume 6.49 x 5.62 x 3.5. The Anycubic Photon Mono 2 is designed for makers, hobbyists, and professionals seeking accuracy and efficiency in resin 3D printing. Equipped with a 6.6-inch 4K plus monochrome LCD screen, this printer delivers exceptional detail with ultra-fine precision, bringing your creative visions to life with crisp edges and smooth surfaces. The upgraded light turbo matrix ensures even light distribution, reducing layer lines and improving print consistency for professional-grade results. With a larger build volume of 6.49 foot x 5.62 x 3.5, you can print bigger models or multiple parts at once, expanding your creative possibilities without compromising speed or detail. Built with a durable aluminum frame and a compact design in stylish blue and black, the Photon Mono 2 is both sturdy and space-efficient, making it a reliable addition to any workspace. At only 5 kilograms, it's lightweight yet robust, designed for long-lasting performance. Whether you're printing prototypes, miniatures, or functional parts, the Photon Mono 2 offers fast curing times and extended screen lifespan thanks to its energy-efficient monochrome LCD. Its intuitive interface and easy setup make it suitable for both beginners and experienced creators. Unlock your creativity with the Anycubic Photon Mono 2, the perfect balance of precision, speed, and reliability for all your resin printing needs. Number 2. Creality Ender 3v3 SE. Creality Ender 3v3 Plus 3D printer with direct dual gear extruder, fully metal CR touch auto leveling, silent motherboard. The Creality Ender 3v3 Plus is engineered to deliver smooth, precise, and reliable 3D printing for beginners and professionals alike. Featuring a direct dual gear extruder, it ensures consistent filament feeding with stronger grip and reduced risk of clogging, making it compatible with a wide range of materials including PLA, PETG, and TPU. Equipped with CR Touch auto leveling technology, the Ender 3v3 Plus eliminates the hassle of manual bed leveling, guaranteeing accurate first layers every time. Its fully metal construction provides durability and stability, minimizing vibration for better print quality. The silent motherboard enhances your workspace by significantly reducing operating noise, allowing you to print comfortably at home or in the office without disruption. Compact yet powerful, this printer measures 10 inches by 10 inches by 10 inches, making it ideal for desktops and small studios while still offering a generous build area for versatile projects. At 11.5 kilograms, the Ender 3v3 Plus combines sturdiness with portability. With plug-and-play connectivity via PC, setup is quick and easy, so you can start printing within minutes. Designed for hobbyists, engineers, and makers, it offers fast heating, stable extrusion, and consistent performance, making it a top choice for high-quality 3D printing. Unleash your creativity and bring your ideas to life with the Creality Ender 3v3 Plus, the perfect blend of advanced features, reliable performance, and user-friendly operation. Number 3. Prusa MK4S. Original Prusa 4 Malawian Kwaches 3D printer kit, removable print sheets, beginner-friendly DIY 3D printer, automatic calibration, filament sample included, print size 9.84 by 8.3 by 8.6 inches. The original Prusa 4 Malawian Kwaches 3D printer kit is designed for makers who want both a reliable printing experience and the fun of building their own machine. This DIY kit comes with clear instructions, making it an engaging project for beginners and enthusiasts while teaching you how every component works. Equipped with automatic calibration, the Formulawi Enquaches ensures consistent first layers and hassle-free printing. The removable print sheets make model removal simple and safe, while also reducing wear on the print surface. With a generous print volume of 9.84 by 8.3 by 8.6 inches, you can create anything from small detailed miniatures to larger functional parts. Constructed from durable metal and plastic components, the Formulawi Enquaches combine strength and precision, ensuring long-lasting performance. Its sleek black design makes it a stylish addition to any workspace. Measuring 19.6 inches by 15.7 inches by 21.6 inches and weighing 10.2 kilograms, it offers a balance of sturdiness and compactness for desktop use. The kit includes a filament sample, so you can start printing right after assembly. With strong community support, frequent firmware updates, and proven reliability, the Prusa Formulawi Enquaches is an ideal choice for beginners looking to enter 3D printing as well as experienced users seeking a dependable machine. Bring your creative ideas to life with the original Prusa Formulawi Enquaches, a trusted, beginner-friendly, and high-performance DIY 3D printer built for makers of all skill levels. Number 4. Anycubic Kobra 3 Combo. Anycubic Kobra 3 Combo 3D Printer, Multicolor 3D Printer 4 colors, max 600 mm per second print speed with ACE Pro sealed storage, print smooth, ideal for all skill levels, 9.8 inches by 9.8 inches by 10.2 inches. The Anycubic Kobra 3 Combo takes desktop 3D printing to the next level with advanced multicolor functionality and professional-grade performance. Capable of printing in up to 4 colors, it brings your models to life with vivid detail and creativity, making it perfect for hobbyists, designers, and professionals alike. Engineered for speed and efficiency, the Kobra 3 Combo offers a maximum print speed of 600 mm per second, allowing you to complete projects faster without compromising on quality. Paired with ACE Pro sealed storage, it keeps filament dry and ready to use, reducing clogs and ensuring smoother extrusion for consistently high-quality prints. With a generous build volume of 9.8 inches by 9.8 inches by 10.2 inches, this printer supports larger projects in batch printing, giving you flexibility for both functional prototypes and creative designs. The sturdy metal frame enhances stability, while the compact footprint, 17.8 inches by 19.8 inches by 19 inches, makes it easy to fit into home studios, classrooms, or professional workspaces. Weighing 9.2 kilograms, the Kobra 3 Combo balances durability with portability. It connects seamlessly to laptops and personal computers, offering user-friendly controls and compatibility with popular slicing software. Designed for all skill levels, it features intuitive operation, automatic calibration, and reliable performance, ensuring a smooth printing experience from the very first use. Unleash your creativity with the Anycubic Kobra 3 Combo, a fast, precise, and multicolor 3D printer built to inspire innovation. Number 5. Flashforge Adventurer 5M Pro. Flashforge Adventurer 5M Pro 3D printer with one-click auto printing system, 600 mm per second high speed, quick detachable 280 degrees Celsius nozzle, Core XY all-metal structure, multifunctional 220 by 220 by 220 mm 3D printer. The FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M Pro is a powerful, next-generation 3D printer designed to deliver professional quality results with ease. Featuring a one-click auto printing system, this printer takes the complexity out of setup and operation, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced makers. With a maximum print speed of 600 mm per second, the Adventurer 5M Pro dramatically reduces printing time while maintaining precision. Its Core XY all-metal structure ensures exceptional stability, reduced vibration, and smoother finishes, even at high speeds. The quick detachable nozzle heats up to 280 degrees Celsius, making it easy to swap and perfect for handling a wide range of materials including PLA, ABS, PETG, ASA, TPU, PC, PLACF, and PETGCF. Offering a print volume of 220 by 220 by 220 mm, this 3D printer provides ample space for large models or multiple prints at once. The fully enclosed design maintains stable temperatures and reduces noise, making it suitable for home, school, or professional environments. Its compact footprint, 15.75 inches by 14.96 inches by 17.83 inches, and robust build ensure it fits neatly into any workspace while delivering industrial-grade performance. At 32.1 pounds, the Adventurer 5M Pro combines durability with advanced features that enhance both usability and output quality. Whether you're prototyping, teaching, or exploring creative projects, this printer offers efficiency, versatility, and reliability in one complete package. Experience fast, precise, and user-friendly 3D printing with the Flashforge Adventurer 5M Pro, your ultimate tool for innovation.